Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 66 registered Jaguar XF V6 Auto. This is the 3 litre V6, beautiful engine and in absolute stunning order. So this is the S model, so you get the S badges in the front grille and on the boot. Now the car's finished in the Firenze Red Metallic paint. Now beautiful, beautiful colour. Just look at the fleck in that. The metallic finish is absolutely gorgeous. Very similar to sort of a candy apple red metallic, but that car just looks amazing. Now it's sat on the 20-inch Labyrinth bimetal alloys, so they are a chrome and, as you can see there, dark greyish. We've got the red brake calipers on that one, with it being the S model as well, and they just look wonderful. They're embossed as well by with the Jaguar detail. Now this car has the exterior black package, so on an S model you get the black power vents in the wings. The sill running along the side of the car is in black, high gloss finish. The trims round the windows are black high gloss finish, and then when we come round to the front we get a slightly darker smoked headlamp, and then the detailing and the honeycomb grills are all in high gloss black finish, as you can see. The Jaguar emboss in the centre of the grille is in red, and then we get the S badge in just to say that this is not the 2 litre engine, it's the V6 get out of my way powerful engine. All the wheels are in super condition, riding on really nice tyres. They've all been detailed. Car's just been serviced by ourselves and had new brakes on the front, discs and pads, but just look at the shine on the sides of that car. It's had a full machine detailing. Now the S model has keyless entry as well, so that little button there, you just press that with your thumb and it knows that your keys are in your pocket. Privacy glasses in the rear, that's a factory option as well, lovely. But as we come round to the rear, we get twin tailpipes, high chrome with a high gloss black diffuser, and then again part of the black package is this lovely belt on the rear tailgate boot, black detail. 60/40 split rear seat there, so very versatile, huge boot in these, and your tyre inflation kit and batteries are there under the boot floor. But from every angle this car just oozes charisma, I was going to say. But just look at that paint, gorgeous, gorgeous colour. Driver's side mirrors that of the passenger and is in absolutely wonderful condition. As I say, we can take a reservation deposit on the vehicle, so it's ready for you and you only need to come and visit Wigan once. Give us a call and we'll explain how that process takes place. Very easy, but it's a lovely, lovely car. Service documentation's all photographed on our website, 2 keys with it, but inside it's sumptuous. We get the black ebony leather with the white contrast stitch and this lovely gloss and detailing and high grain black finish. Meridian sound system on it, 4 electric windows, power fold mirrors, S embossed sill plates as we get electric seats, aluminium pedals. As I jump in the car, we've got a mileage of 35,549. Starting the car up with no warning lights. What a silky smooth V6 engine. Same engine that goes in the Range Rover Sports and Vogues. Automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, and then full multifunction steering wheel. Cruise control speed limiter. And then the cockpit is DAB radio, satellite navigation, just a touch screen as you can see. Every time you press home or go back, it'll go through then the system, quite simple and easy. Heated seats, heated front windscreen, digital climate control. The wood detailing then follows through onto the centre console, and the high gloss black detail around that gear shift is in superb order. It's an 8-speed ZF gearbox. All the books, sat nav, spare locking wheel nut is all there. The graphite detail runs through onto the dash that wraps around onto the door, but just look at that, the wood detail follows through. Look at that contrast stitch on top of the These cars are just absolutely gorgeous. Now the Taurus leather, it's called, is semi-aniline, so it's got holes that enable you to breathe. We've got embossed headrests. Super car. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper wasn't a smoker on the car. It is still has that scent of a new vehicle, very fresh and clean. You can tell that the car has been truly cherished, really has. Gorgeous from every angle. In the rear, very lightly used as well. Nice soft leather trim in super condition, and all of the door cards around the area are all in wonderful order. But yeah, just look at that. What a beautiful car. So 66 plate, lovely low mileage, 2 keys, all the service documentation there. Everything that was supplied with the car when it was new is still available today. Sat on the 20-inch alloys, so it's just got over £4,500 worth of factory extras on top of what was a very high price for this luxury product. But if you need any more info, give us a call. I'm Graham, there's Dom and Lee on sales. Check out our reviews, you'll see that we're a 5-star dealer. Check out our Facebook page, social media, see lots of customers who've reserved cars with us, coming to collect them once only. It's a fully refundable deposit, so if you're not happy when you get here, we will refund you your money. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.